Here's the 2018 Honda Accord Touring. LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. Going to have a keyless entry and lock. Power window, door lock, mirrors, memory settings for the power seat. You have steering wheel controls to be able to answer phone calls, voice activation feature control, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Nice display with navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Bluetooth integration. Dual climate control. You're also going to have USB and DC power ports, as well as a wireless charging pad. Econ and Sport modes. Electronic parking brake and brake hold. In your center console, you're going to have another power port and USB port. Storage for your sunglasses. Moonroof. Nice spacious back seat, all-weather floor mats, AC vents, cup holders, and a fold-down center armrest. Heated seats in the back. Capless fuel filler. Backup camera. All-weather cargo tray. Underneath it, you'll find your tools to change your tire with the spare tire. You'll have the 60/40 split for fold down on your back seat for when you require additional room. This is the 2018 Honda Accord Touring.